Do you have old items on your property that have long been due to be thrown away? Wait. Sometimes they turn into the most unusual flower beds, benches, planters, and garden decor. I'll now show you ideas where ordinary junk becomes a decoration for your yard. Don't rush to throw away old jeans. Fill them with soil, add flowers, and cheerful garden characters like these will appear in your yard. If an item has lost its original purpose, give it a second life. For example, turn it into an unusual planter near your home. An old canoe can be hung on a wall and used as a firewood holder. Practical, unusual, and very eye-catching. A metal barrel can easily be turned into an outdoor stove. Add an opening in a chimney, and you get a stylish cooking area. A cable spool can become an excellent flower bed. The shape is already there. All that's left is to add a container with flowers. If you have leftover pipe cuttings, don't throw them away right away. Sometimes they can make a neat garden border with greenery. Old barrels can be painted black and planted with ornamental grasses, creating a strict and modern accent. Two bicycles, a sturdy frame, and a wooden tabletop. And now it's no longer scrap metal, but an unusual garden table. The rear part of an old pickup truck can become a bench. Rust and worn paint work here as part of the style. Old doors and shutters can be assembled into a decorative wall. Different colors, planters, and small details create a true garden backdrop.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.